Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trulioo or Clearbit enrichment for HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Trulioo or Clearbit enrichment for HubSpot, start by ensuring you have a HubSpot account with the appropriate permissions. Next, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your account settings. In the left sidebar menu, look for the Integrations tab and click on it. Choose Connected Apps from the drop-down. Locate either Trulioo or Clearbit in the list of available integrations. If you don't see the integration, visit the HubSpot marketplace. Search for Trulioo or Clearbit, depending on your preference. Click on the application to view its details. Select the option to install or connect the application. Follow the prompts to initiate the connection process. If you're using Trulioo, you'll need to input your API key for verification. For Clearbit, you may need to provide your Clearbit API key as well. Once you have entered the necessary information, click on the Connect button. After a successful connection, configure the enrichment settings. Decide which fields you want to enrich in HubSpot from Trulioo or Clearbit. Map the selected fields from the enrichment tool to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. Review the settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. Save your changes. To test the integration, go to a contact record in HubSpot. Trigger the enrichment process to see if additional data is pulled in. Monitor the performance of the enrichment feature regularly. Adjust the settings as necessary based on your team's needs. Consult the documentation for Trulioo or Clearbit for any advanced configurations. Keep your API keys updated to prevent any interruptions in service. And that concludes the configuration process for Trulioo or Clearbit enrichment in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.